All right, so here we have the boilerplate React application. Let's customize it for our own purposes. So let's get started. We'll start here in app.js, and we're going to replace this with our own content. So we are building a learning management system we named Whiteboard. Let's start creating by creating a component. We'll call it the Whiteboard component. Now this whiteboard is going to be our root entry point for our application. So this is let's call it whiteboard.js. All right, so let's create here a component called whiteboard.js. So let's see new JavaScript, and we'll call it whiteboard.js. Yeah, we want to put everything in Git. So the component will create it using a class. So let's see, we are going to import React from the React library, and we'll create the class, and we'll call it whiteboard. We're going to extends React.component, and we're going to override the render function. It's going to return just a simple h1 whiteboard. We're going to export this so they can be referenced outside of this file. So we're going to export it to the default namespace or package. So export default whiteboard. Now that it's exported, we can refer to it from our package, from our app.js. We can refer to it from our app.js. So let's go in there. Let's blow away most of our content here. In app.js, we're not going to use what the default implementation here. So we'll customize it to just render our whiteboard component. Notice that our IDE already knows where whiteboard is, right, and imports it automatically for us. We're not referring to this logo, so let's remove that. Probably not going to be using the default customization style sheet. There we go. So let's see what that looks like. All right, there it is. So we have whiteboard, and this is where we're going to be doing most of our work inside of that component.